The weekend is here and changes are afoot. Not Saturday so much, but on Sunday, big time changes. So at the coast, we've been locked in with all this low cloud cover. I think we're going to get some relief from that on Sunday. Not perfect relief, but again, inland temperature is going to take a big nosedive Sunday into Monday. But let's go out to Pismo Beach. We showed you Avila earlier where it was sunny, and well, Pismo tends to be on the other side of that equation. Even though it was on the cooler side of Pismo today, that did not stop folks. All kinds of people at the beaches every weekend now. 61 at Pismo currently, and 62 at Los Osos, 62 in Lompoc, 82 in Santa Ynez. So get into those valleys to warm up. 81 at Tascadero, 87 at Paso Robles, 65 for us in Santa Barbara. So let's take a look at the wind situation. You can see it's 22 miles per hour up the valley in Paso Robles, driven by the difference in temperature from the hot interior to the cool coast. But elsewhere, the winds are generally under 15 miles per hour. Look at that blanket of cloud cover at the coast. It's going to push into the coastal valleys again tonight. If anything, our model is underdoing it. The model thinks there are some gaps in that cloud deck right now. But again, it has the whole idea of it pushing into the coastal valleys, retreating to the beach line, and returning on Sunday morning. So if I'm talking about a change, when does it get here? Well, Sunday afternoon. Watch what happens now. We're going to get much more in the way of wind. It cools down dramatically inland. It wipes out this cap, an inversion cap on top of the marine layer, and allows it to clear. However, that upper low is around Monday morning, and mist and drizzle possible along with the marine clouds at the coast. There you can see tumbling into Seattle. That's our upper low, which is going to change our weather prospects for the weekend. It evolves out as we get into the second half of next week, but we don't have a huge ridge of high pressure redeveloping, so temperatures will warm but not get extreme. So plenty of high pressure currently. What was interesting is out by Big Bear Lake today, we had a big thunderstorm pop up and move off to the east. So people say California weather is quiet. I think it's a lot more dynamic than people give it credit for. Goleta looks like this tomorrow. You can see temperatures into the 70s in the afternoon. I think the South Coast clears pretty nicely, actually, tomorrow. San Luis Obispo, mid to upper 70s. Atascadero, like today, lower to mid 80s with some breeze in the afternoon. 77 Santa Maria and Santa Barbara, 78 in SLO, and 92 in Paso Robles for daytime highs. Overnight lows, mid-50s for most of the coast. The exception would be the deep interior. It's going to be warm overnight again in Cuyama with the low of 64. Keep in mind, some places haven't even been that warm for highs. 75 Napomo, 68 Pismo Beach, 95 Shandon, 97 in San Miguel, 85 at Tascadero, 66 at Avila Beach. And the extended forecast trend is definitely down into Sunday and Monday, most notably in the interior. What's interesting about the forecast next week, if we go out to the second half of next week, the no sky July returns, the pattern kind of returns to where we're sitting right now. More at 6. Back to you.
We'll see you then. Thanks, Dave.